Hey guys, my name is Bree and I'm going to be your choreographer for this year's Knights of North Castle music videos. This is my assistant John and he's going to be helping me out today. Right now we're about to learn the dance for Hey Hey Goliath, and just a reminder, always mirror me. Okay, so in the very beginning of the song we're going to start with our backs to the camera, alright? So go ahead and turn around. So you're going to hear the beginning intro, and so we're going to hit on the first beat. So you're going to take your left leg and pop it out. 1, and you're going to spin around on the next beat. 2, heads down, okay? And then you're going to wait for the next beat, and then you're going to pop your shoulders, boom, and then you're going to swing your head up and around and pop, all right? And then we're just going to do some really sassy, simple snaps. Sassy, simple snaps, all right? So we're going to start by leaning. You're going to lean to your left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all right? So anytime we say Hey Hey Goliath in the verses, it's always going to start the same. We're going to go hey to the left, hey front, Goliath up, all right? So that's Hey Hey Goliath, okay? I'm just going to have you guys watch the video for the rest of the verses because there are a lot of words, and I know I will definitely forget it if I try to explain it all right here. The only move I would like to explain for you guys real quick is the move for pebble, okay? So when we say pebble, you're going to take your hand in a fist, facing down, and you're going to knock on it twice. 1, 2, and pop out, and this is pebble, all right? So 1, 2, pop. That's pebble. So for the pre-chorus, we're going to go back with your right, back, back, shield, and sword, and then on the word but, you're going to throw it up, but, and then step forward with your right. I stand before you in the name of the Lord. So that's double, 1, 2, in your fist, and then Lord as an L across, okay? And then back again, 1, 2, shield and sword, but 1, 2, 1, 2. All right? Make sure when you're doing this, you look super, super ready to but you're not afraid because you know God's got you. So this whole time we're going to be a little bit sassy, a little bit cocky maybe even, all right? But it's all in the name of the Lord, okay? So we're going to jump into the chorus now. You're not sure yet if you're going to be doing this to your right first or your left. I'm going to have to decide that when we go and shoot this video for the first time. However, it is good for you to know this move both ways, all right? So for this example, I'm going to be going to my right, and John's going to be going to his left, all right? So we're going to go, hey, hey, Goliath, and we're going to step forward with this inside foot and go up, boom, bring it back down, oh, 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 all right? See how our elbows are pointed to each other? So we're going to have pairs. So you don't know yet if you're going to be on this side or this side. Either way, learn it both ways, and you'll be good to go, all right? So we're going to go, hey, hey, Goliath, bum, whoa, oh, oh, hey, hey, Goliath, down, oh, oh, hey, hey, Goliath, down, oh, oh, hey, hey, Goliath, down, oh, oh, hey, hey, and then hey, hey, Goliath, all right? So that's basically it. We're going to go ahead and do the song now.
Strong as you, but there is something about me you don't know. Here's the truth, see, you stand before me with your shield and sword, but I stand before you in the name of the Lord, yeah. You stand before me with your shield and sword, but I stand before you in the power of the Lord, yeah. Hey, hey, Goliath. Hey, hey, Goliath.
What? I just hit that bad.
Shield and sword, but I stand before you in the name of the Lord, yeah. You stand
We totally missed it at the end of the song, but let me explain real quick. At the very end, we're gonna end with our snaps, 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 and on the last, hey, hey, Goliath. We're gonna look up, okay? And just end right there. Thank you guys.